Hi everybody, my name is Eric Landis. I'm the product manager of the Imagine Group for Grand Design RV. And today I'm standing in front of our 24MPR, or multi-purpose room. One thing that we consistently do is try to enhance our product and or features with the end user in mind in order to improve functionality, etc. And today I'd like to highlight a new feature that we put into the 24MPR from a simplicity standpoint, from a functionality standpoint, for the end user in mind. Come on, I'd like to show you the new sleep system. So standing inside the multi-purpose room, I'm going to demonstrate the 5 different positions that our new sleep system can achieve. First is in the stow position, pictured here. This allows for more interior room for storing items, be it a golf cart, a quad, a dirt bike, anything that you see fit storing wise. The second position is a single bunk, and I'll demonstrate how to put it down. Single bunk. The third position would be single bunk over single bunk. Next, I'm going to demonstrate the fourth position of the sleep system, which will be a single bunk, then a queen bed. First, you start off with this lever under here. Single over queen. And the final position I'm going to demonstrate is in the queen position. I'm going to showcase it folding out and then in queen and then putting it away. Queen bed. Back to stow position. Last but not least, I'd like to point out the 3 different latches that are critical for operating the system. First one would be on the top bunk. This lever pushes up. And on the other side, same lever, which then allows you to bring your bunk down. The last lever is underneath the system. This will allow it to be opened into the queen position. Thank you so much for your time watching the new sleep system on the 24MPR. For more information, continue checking us out on our webpage, or we encourage you to visit your local dealer. Thanks for your time.